Are you tired of searching for the right dental insurance plan and wondering if it's really worth it? Well, you're not alone. Many people have mixed feelings about dental insurance. In this video, we're going to share with you 4 reasons why you may want to reconsider dental insurance altogether. I am Ken the dentist, and I am your dentist in your pocket. Dental procedures can be expensive, and I recognize that some people need help navigating through their dental journey. I tell my patients that we are going on a journey, and this is not a race. And this journey that we're going on is going to have different phases. So, for that reason, I wanted to create something to help those that may be struggling or trying to figure out this dental insurance thing. So one of the reasons could potentially be that there's limited coverage. One of the major drawbacks with dental insurance is the limited coverage. Most plans have a cap on the amount they will pay for dental procedures. Typically, this is around $1,000 to $2,000 per year. Complex treatments like dental implants, root canals, or orthodontics can easily exceed those limits, leaving you to cover the remaining of the cost out of your pocket. So let's say your dentist says you need 2 crowns and a filling. The dental insurance money will already have run dry once they got dental crowns out of their mouth. Because I mean, that's pretty much what it's going to do. That dental crown is going to eat up, just one of them is going to eat up that whole dental coverage. Additionally, many plans have waiting periods before covering certain procedures, which can be an inconvenience if you require immediate dental attention, like an extraction or a root canal. This can be very, very problematic. Another example is dental insurances have high deductibles and premiums. Dental insurance premiums can often be quite expensive, especially if your plan doesn't offer comprehensive care. Comprehensive coverage is preventable care like dental cleanings, basic restorative care like fillings or extractions that may also cover major restoratives, things like root canals or even some crowns. Some comprehensive coverage may also cover orthodontic work like braces. What is not comprehensive care is cosmetic procedures, implants, and also coverage when it deals with pre-existing dental conditions like perio. On top of the monthly premiums, there are also deductibles to consider as well. Deductibles are the out-of-pocket amounts that you pay before your insurance kicks in. It can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s depending on your treatment plan and the dentist, and also where you are locally within the country. These high deductible premiums can add up quickly, making dental insurance expensive and the investments that may not always pay off. Okay, this is the fine print in your dental insurance contract and should not be overlooked. Pre-existing condition part is very, very important. Pre-existing conditions can cause a major setback when it comes to dental insurance. If you have dental issues, insurance companies can exclude coverage for those specific conditions. This means that necessary treatments or procedures related to those pre-existing conditions will not be covered. Periodontal disease is a big one here. Perio or bone loss is a chronic condition that affects the periodontium. Bone loss can be rapid or slow depending on the maintenance and the schedule of your home care. For this reason, hear me well, it is essential to carefully review the fine print of the dental insurance policy to understand what considerations might be considered pre-existing and potentially excluded from your coverage. Okay, so I've given you 3 reasons why dental insurance may not be right for you, but you may feel like you have no other options for dental care. But really, the problem is dental insurance benefits amounts have not risen with the cost of living like we've seen with medical insurance. We have not seen a major increase with dental insurance coverage since like the 1980s. And this makes the decision for dental insurance so hard. Personally, I have dental insurance because I have been going to the dentist since I was a very young age. My overall oral health is pretty good, so comprehensive care works for me and my family. I have kiddos and a wife, and we all need stuff, so it just makes sense and works for us. But your situation may be different. Maybe you know that it's something that you need, but you feel intimidated because it's been so long since you sought out dental care. You are not alone. My suggestion is to just get a cleaning and an examination just to see what you need. They'll kind of go over your x-rays and things like that, and that'll kind of give you a good sense of where you are. And most of the time they'll do this under $100. I'm going to place a link below so you can find board certified doctors in your area or towns. Go get the cleaning, get the workup, and then do the immediate treatments first. Then you can see where you are. Most dental clinics will set up with you a treatment plan, and you can kind of see what you need to do as far as those things being itemized. Dental insurance may not be the best option for everyone. Limited coverage, high deductibles, pre-existing conditions. These are all factors to consider. Evaluating your dental needs and weighing the costs and exploring options can help and make an informed decision for you to kind of determine which way you want to go. Remember, whether you choose dental insurance or alternate options, maintaining good dental oral health is very, very important. You have to have those regular checkups to make sure that your health is good and you have that vibrant smile. If you have any specific questions, please drop them in the comments. I will try to answer a few of them to help others with some of the same problems or same questions. Y'all be blessed. I'll talk to you real soon.